When it comes to spot cleaning, there are a lot of brands to choose from. Welcome back to Type 5 Reviews. Stick around to the end of the video as we try to figure out which one performs the best. Now to start this test, I created a variety of stains which included ketchup, soy sauce, coffee, mustard, and red automotive grease. After each stain was applied, I wiped away the excess and then let it sit overnight to really put the spot removers to the test. For comparison, I kept the top middle as a control and used only water to clean the bottom middle section. I then followed each product's instructions as listed, which included variations of scrubbing and letting the product soak for 5 to 10 minutes before I used the Bissell little green machine to vacuum each section. For the top row, I included the results for the spot cleaners from Bissell, OxiClean, Resolve, and Hoover, while the bottom shows the results from Folex, 409, Woolite, and Great Value. I was a little surprised by the difference in the application of each brand, since some products foamed up quite a bit while others didn't. And I also want to mention that none of these products were sponsored for the video, but purchased individually with the goal of giving you as honest of a comparison as possible. Well, the results are in, and as you can see, all of these spot removers struggled with the dried on mustard stain, but I think we actually have a pretty clear winner, and that would be the Folex carpet spot remover. Now, it did a great job of getting rid of that red grease as well as everything else. And in a really close second, I was actually surprised to see Woolite over here. Now, I can just barely make out a little bit of that faint red in the center there, but it also did a really great job of getting up the majority of the stains. Then we have 409 and OxiClean. I can see a little bit of ketchup left over here. I'm sure if I scrub that 409 a little bit more, that would come out. And the OxiClean also did really well, but you can see that there's a little bit of that red grease residue left over. Resolve and Hoover also were very, very close. Again, just a little bit of that red grease left over. And at the end of the pack here, we have the Great Value brand as well as Bissell's cleaning brand. The Bissell brand didn't do as well with that red grease. The same with the Great Value brand that also kind of struggled a little bit with the ketchup. So hopefully you learned something from this video. I know I'm going to be picking up some more of that Folex if I need to clean some more spots around the house. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick up some of that from Amazon yourself. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Click that like button if you found this video useful. And as always, I've done the research so you don't have to.